Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright, today we're gonna be talking about health benefit, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys a few things that I eat every morning for 10 days, and it has made drastic change. It helped my eyesight, it helped my breathing, it helped my energy, it boosts my energy, it made me feel awesome. So I just want to show you guys a few things that I use every morning and how it's improved my lifestyle. All right, this is mustard greens. This is the good thing about growing your own stuff, guys. So we have the mustard greens, we have the sage, just a few leaf, not too much, just a few leaf. We have the sage. We have this one. This one is a pineapple sage. So we grab a few leaves from this one as well. And the more you pick them, is the more they grow back. This one is the Greek oregano. Greek oregano. So I'm just gonna pick a limb, a small limb of them. And we come here and we have parsley. Parsley is amazing. And we're gonna pick a few leaves of lettuce. Not much, just a few, just a little fresh recipe every morning that can transform your life. Okay. Alright guys, so this is what I eat every morning and it has transformed my life. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash them now and I'm gonna put them in my plate, then I'm gonna eat them and show you how I do it. Alright guys, so after washing everything, you wash them pretty good because you know you don't want in case there's any kind of bugs or anything on them. So you make sure you wash them properly. So here we have arugula, which this is the arugula right here. We have mustard greens. We have celery. We have sage. We have pineapple sage also. We have lettuce. I eat this every morning. And while I'm eating this is why guys, you got to pay attention to whatever you do. While I'm start eating this on mornings, what start happening, I find an improvement of me able to run. I can run, but it make me run faster and longer. It also help my eyesight. I thought I need glasses, and now my eyesight is beautiful. So I'm gonna keep doing it. Then I'm gonna take a break, a 10 days break, then I'm gonna keep doing it again. So this is what I eat every morning. This is mustard green. This is lettuce. Guys, I don't use salad. I believe salad defeat the purpose. These grow 100% organic. So I expect to get the full nutrition out of these vegetables. And as you see, these fresh vegetables, fresh leaf from my garden. So tasty. I don't know why people are dressing. I think dressing is for helping them with the flavor and the taste. But these things taste so delicious without dressing. So delicious. Even the sage Very tasty. All the juice going through your body, all the nutrition going through your body. It's amazing. Fresh. That's why I encourage you guys to, even if it's a little herb garden, you should definitely try to grow something. It might be difficult for some people, I understand, but if you try it, you never know. I'm not giving medical advice. I'm just showing you what I eat and telling you the improvement that I get from this. You know, usually I get up and I take a run around the yard, and it made me start to run longer for a longer period of time. You know, so it helped with my breathing and everything, my eyesight. It helped me with my eyesight. I was getting ready to get glasses, then my eyesight has changed. So now this is celery. As you guys know, celery have a lot of benefit as well. It's one thing it got you chewing for a long time, but the thing about it, the juice that coming out of it, man, amazing. So like I said, guys, lettuce, Greek oregano, celery, mustard greens, regular sage, pineapple sage. Beautiful job. And agua. All the juice, the flavor, so juicy. Make you feel strong. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this motivates you guys to grow your own herbs. This is what I do, and it gives me great benefit. The taste is amazing. It just the taste of it is just healthy. Alright, so don't forget Greek oregano, basil, 2 different type of basil, no sage, pineapple sage and the regular, lettuce, mustard green, parsley, celery, not parsley. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Peace, love, and blessing.